Hi investors! So welcome to Studio Unit here in Uptown Modern. So ito nga pala yung for Airbnb business namin na studio unit dito kay Uptown Modern. So paano yung tiring? Ang maganda dito, meron na tayong mga appliances na included. Like this one, microwave, then 2 induction cooktop. Meron na rin tayong range hood dito. And then a lots of cabinets. So kapag nag-invest ka dito sa studio unit na to, kukonti na lang talaga idadagdag mo. And then pagdating naman natin dito, this will be your bathroom. So may vanity mirror na included na yan. Lavatory, malawak siya. And then, of course, water closet, may bidet, rain shower, glass enclosure na rin yan. So ganito na yung i-deliver natin sa'yo na studio unit. So dito naman, paglabas natin, of course, sorry nakalimutan ko. Mayroon nga pa tayong lavatory dito. And then, ito yung maganda. Included na yung fridge natin dito by Goren Hay. So ito yung mga appliances na UK brand naman siya. So this will be the space for your living and dining naman. Sa living and dining natin, mapapansin nyo, meron tayong split type aircon na included. Yes, kasama na po yung split type aircon dito sa studio unit mo. So, eto naman yung space mo for your bed space. So, queen size, since this one is 44.5 square meter naman, of course, malawak na rin talaga siya. Modular closet is of course included. And then, what's good about our studio unit, meron tayong balcony. Pwede ka maglagay ng tables and chairs. And then, yung view mo, pwede kitang bigyan ng Antipolo Mountains or Ortigas Skyline. So, kahit gabi or araw, maganda yung view mo. So, makukuha mo to ng only 14,000 pesos per month. May 650,000 tayo na annual lump sum since wala tayong down payment dito. So, if you wanna know more, just comment down below, invest, and I'll send you a message. Again, I am Jared Magnayan. Welcome to Buhay Ahente. Salam.